me. Last time I sent this clean and smoky makeup, you guys are pretty good. Like, today still range for you. Let's try it together. Makeup. Before, I simply applied a cream to moisturize it. Then I watch a lot of shows in the comment section. How about convenience? The painting is very clean and advanced. In fact, I think pure eyes. The makeup itself and the base makeup are also very critical. That's smoky makeup like this. The most afraid of being dirty and bulky. Therefore, there must be a very clean one. Very matte setting. So you follow up. If you superimpose other makeup, it will not look dirty. It just so happens that the weather has gotten hot recently, hasn't it? Then I replaced it with this nice super item. It's really luxurious, this kind of makeup. Like after a lot of oil in summer. I still have extracted face beads. The pores are still noticeable, but this bottle is really amazing. Being flower floss, pores work very well. It's like a pore, it's like a wipe. I'll show it to you directly. Take a look at this makeup, it's really nice. It's very clean and flat here. It looks like it never had any pores. And the concealer is really powerful. Just a thin layer. Basically more than 8 layers. You don't need to deal with it separately next time. It's very convenient, you see. Quickly finish serving him the shrimp here. Take a look at this makeup effect. I still like it very much. It's a very premium thin matte finish. This matte surface is very beautiful and will not be rigid. The whole face looks much cleaner and fresher. There will be no tightness like other liquid foundations. The whole is very light and comfortable. The key is to show that my skin is really good. In this way, you can superimpose others later. Makeup will not say that the line is dirty, and I think this makeup holding rate is very good. It's really not dull on my face. You sweat a little out point, become more obedient, more alive. In fact, this base makeup already makes my face look very full. We just need to highlight it in a small area. That is, give it evenly in the hand, then use pink tips to top it. The face makeup still needs to be very full. Otherwise, applying smoky makeup will feel a little bit shriveled. Lift the corner of the mouth up here, and the bridge of the nose. Chin, we have the same old rules. Then we'll fix it. And taste the structure of the eye. Forehead here. The facelift on the side of the face is roughly from the cheekbones, then the mandibular line. Just raise it a little bit so it's one size fits all, that feeling. The nose is still drawn with a V. Spot root here. Your eyes are connected to the bottom of your eyebrows. We use a brush to slowly faint it like this. Be sure to bring my hairline. Otherwise, it's a little white and doesn't look good here. Towards. Find you below. More detailed parts like this. I usually use the brush to poke and poke. And then out. It's a little bit of a belt. The whole shadows will connect a little more naturally. Give him a second pat with the puff. Like smoky makeup, I think it has to be a color system. Because of my eyeshadow today, and the lipsticks are all gray-pink. So I also choose a gray-pink blush, and then our grooming is connected together. Then I thought, don't draw too picky. Just follow my eyebrow shape. It kind of wraps around my eyes. Let's use the eyebrow dye cream again. Just put this furry color. The dyeing is unified, appear cleaner. I am this eye makeup part. In fact, I've always smoked eyeliner. The eyeshadow part is actually very simple. Or use a white eyeshadow first. Make a little base. Then you can set makeup on the eyelids. Scan the wiring. Hey, your fans are not very deep as soon as they come up. Color. You can choose a more natural base color first. Just draw with you. The same feeling as daily eye makeup. The front covers our entire eyelids. Just bring the structure at the end of the eye a little bit. No matter how shady the part is, it must be connected with him. We'll go with this slightly darker color. Press on the plate. Use a clean big. Give it a little smudge with the brush. Is there any residual powder on the brush? Also brought to our lower lids. After the eyelashes are done, we choose a black glue pen here. Fill in the inner eyeliner. Nod, I'll change it to a brown glue handle. Give him a peek. After applying inner eyeliner, we can choose a darker eyeshadow. Set it and smoke this eyeliner part, by the way. Take a look at this effect. Can you paste the eyelashes? Paste a little girl group style. Click to paste an effect. Then let's draw the outer eyeliner. Or go down first. And then it drags out a little tail flat. Wearing eyeliner is an old rule, a dark eyeshadow color. I still felt it warm. Then brush it with this fish meal. Slowly heat this lower limb. The two ingredients should also have a little smoked feeling. With this large brush, slowly smudge it out a little bit. With a shadow pen, draw a narrow front. Brighten up the 5-layer pen. I want a little bit of atmosphere. Use this glue pen. You're going to yell at us. And then we still follow the old rules to experience in the face. Tico here. Pull it up first. Press here in the face. I wear it on the bridge of my nose. Look at the end of your eyes and give him this place. Settle down a little. The whole face will have a feeling of being lifted up. The most crucial part is to brighten the eyes. I use Central Asian light first. Just highlight that. Then stack it again. Lower middle pearlescent highlights. It has to be here. We still have the same rules. Light him up. It just feels like the brow bone is very high. A little bit of nose too. Highlight. Then the entire bridge of the nose. Use this piece later. Stack it up a little bit. You can also bring a little bit on your face. The middle of the nest needs to be deepened here. The red color is on the inside of the lips, because I don't want this gloss. so I pressed it with a puff.